morning to all of you. How are you all? Now it's time to start the reading of the second chapter. So, who will tell me the name of the second chapter? Yes, it's the Red Rain Coat. Very good. So, before that, kids, I will tell you something about this story. Okay? So, this is a story about a little child whose name is Manu. Whose name is Manu, and she is Manu's mother. Okay, Manu is a boy who has just received a red raincoat as a present and can't wait to wear it. See, look at this, the red raincoat. So, does it rain and does he get to wear the raincoat? Let's find out in the story. Okay, now come to the next page of this chapter. Kids, what you have to do? Try to read this out and listen the ma'am properly. Okay, now let's start our reading. On Thursday, Manu went on a picnic. Yes, speak up all of you. On Thursday, Manu went on a picnic. What if it rains? Shall I take the raincoat with me? Asked Manu. No, my dear, it will not rain today. Yes, read this. No, my dear, it will not rain today. Kids, remember this. When there is a full stop, you just wait for a second, then start reading. Okay? Now, the little white clouds are too high in the sky, said Ma. Okay, now it's time to read this out. Kids, it's your turn to read this. Yes. Now next is Friday was cloudy. Yes. Again, Friday was cloudy. Ma, will it rain today? Asked Manu loudly. Very good. It might, my dear. Again. It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky, said Ma. Read this, hurry up, bachcha. Now, Saturday began with a bang. See, look at here, there is a full stop. Then wait for a second. Very good. Read this. Saturday began with a bang. Badum. Yes, read this. Badum. See, look at here, kids. It is a loud sound made by thunder. Ma, is that thunder I hear? Again. Ma, is that thunder I hear? Will it rain very soon? Asks Manu. And then at last, it started raining. And then, at last, it started raining. Yes, very good, bachcha. Oh, it's raining, sang Manu running out. Again. Oh, it's raining, sang Manu running out. Very good. But Manu called Ma, running after him, you forgot your raincoat. But Manu called Ma, running after him, you forgot your raincoat. Kids, read this. Okay, in this class, what you have to do? No written work, just reading and reading. Okay, So listen your ma'am that what you have to do, read this page. Very good.